Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the 8Pay token. Name of the token is 8Pay, ticker symbol is also 8Pay, and that is the number 8 and then PAY, of course. 8pay.network is their official webpage. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. It was actually in the top gainer section today. It's doing very well today. Right now it's up 36.22%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, they have a full white paper here listed on CoinMarketCap along with their web page. A few different contract addresses. This is a cross-chain token. They also have a Telegram, Medium, Twitter, 2 different Telegrams, GitHub, price chart contract addresses, and a full CertiK audit. They have a full CertiK audit on here. Token price is sitting at about 2.2 cents per token. So there's a few different ways to get this token. If you want to get the Ethereum token, you can get it off of OpenOcean or Uniswap. They have it listed on BitGlobal, which is a central exchange. You can get it off there. It's paired with USDT. Or you can get the Binance Smart Chain version of this token off of PancakeSwap. So all those are listed on CoinMarketCap as the markets for purchase for this token here. And if you want to find more information, click on their white paper. 8Pay is a payment protocol built on the Binance Smart Chain designed to enable genuine cryptocurrency-based reoccurring payments without introducing additional friction. Its permissionless design, powered by automated smart contracts, gives crypto assets added functionality. Cryptocurrency transactions recorded on a public ledger provide instant auditability, avoiding the possibility of dispute between buyer and seller. As a result, there is no requirement for third party to arbitrate on whether a crypto payment has been sent or received. The blockchain reveals everything. Moreover, cryptos provide instant settlement compared to wire transfer and do not require clearinghouses, further reducing friction. Single, recurring, and on-demand payments are facilitated via the 8Pay protocol, making cryptocurrencies suitable for everyday use. To allow for simple, quick, and user-friendly interactions, the complexity brought by the blockchain is abstracted into simplified APIs, libraries, and graphical user interfaces. The billing models, 8Pay offers multiple billing models that can be easily shared with customers or embedded into your website in 3 different ways: buttons, short URLs, and QR codes. So how to integrate? The way you integrate with 8Pay depends on the nature of the payment you want to receive, be it one-at-a-time payment or a reoccurring payment. In any case, we've got you covered with step-by-step tutorials. So if you want to learn how to do one-time payments or reoccurring payments, on their white paper, they have in-depth details how to do that. And you can find that at docs.8pay.network is the link to their white paper. So 8Pay offers RESTful APIs, which are quick answers without the need to directly interact with the blockchain. The APIs, which are controlled and hosted by 8Pay, read from the cached version of the information stored on the blockchain. Everybody can verify all of the information provided by the 8Pay's APIs with on-chain data to ensure that it is accurate and up to date. 8Pay is currently available on the following chains: Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon, and then it says Sandbox BNB Chain Testnet. Authentication, the way to authenticate on 8Pay API is through an API key that can be created in the API key section of the 8Pay web app. So they have one-time billing models is used to send single payments to one or multiple parties. Common applications include e-commerce. Then they have a section here on payments, transfers, short URLs. They also have variable reoccurring plans, subscriptions, billings, cancellation requests. All those you can look at. Webhook transfers, on-demand section here. They also have a webhook notification overview. So webhooks are user-defined HTTP callbacks triggered by an event. 8Pay uses webhooks to let your application know when events happen, like payments are completed, customers subscribe to plans, subscriptions are canceled, billings are executed, and so on. Now, the appendix here, it has token information, it has categories, there's advanced features like auto biller, gas wallet. They have plugins like WooCommerce, libraries like JavaScript SDK, integration buttons, on-demand, variable reoccurring, fixed reoccurring, and one-time. And yeah, so about the webhooks here, it says you can verify integrity. Each notification is identified by a unique ID generated hashing the rest of the notification with the SHA-256 algorithm. They go over retry logic, and verify events are sent from 8Pay. Now, if you want to find even more information, you can check out their socials. So their Twitter here is at 8Pay_network. They have 17,900 Twitter followers already. So they're doing fairly well. It is a little bit over a year old, though, their Twitter. They joined in March 2021. It says DeFi platform for automatic trustless crypto payments live on the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon chain, audited by CertiK. And then they have a full link tree listed on their Twitter, which I'm going to show you guys right up here. And their pinned tweet here, it says Shopify plugin is finally live. Now you can imagine integrated crypto payments into your digital store. A few numbers on Shopify. Shopify's revenue was $3.231 billion in 2021, showing an 86% increase over the past 2 years. So yeah, lots of cool utility here going on with this project. Check it out. It's listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the 8Pay token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.